What's up, y'all? Straight Trades in the building. I want to talk about cryptocurrency in YouTube, right? I want to talk about my YouTube channel, which it doesn't do that well. I don't be popping like everybody else. I don't know what's up with that. I think my videos are pretty damn good. I think I'm pretty damn accurate on some of my calls, but the channel don't be popping. But I want to talk about crypto. I want to talk about cryptocurrency and what I have found that makes me actually want to invest more in cryptocurrency. And it's something very small. All right, so I searched the internet. I'm a YouTuber as well. I'm a YouTube viewer as well, right? I do YouTube videos and I watch other people's YouTube videos. And when I search, I can see my peers. I can see who does what I do. And I don't watch everybody. I just kind of get a glimpse at their little, see how they doing for the most part. All right, I'm nosy. I'm trying to see how they doing. But when I've been looking up cryptocurrency, because I'm trying to learn more and more and more about it, one thing I discovered, sorry, I can't speak today, man. One thing I discovered about the cryptocurrency is every channel's popping. The YouTube community is really interested in cryptocurrency. There's not one cryptocurrency channel I come across, stumble upon, that's not popping. I don't care if you made 2 videos. Both of your videos probably got several thousands of views on them. And I don't mean like 2,000. I mean like 20, 30,000. It's incredible. I haven't found a lame YouTube channel that talks about cryptocurrency, which I find that in stocks all the time. I mean, there's people like me that's around me or do worse than me or just slightly better. You could see a weak stock channel, right? You could see some people doing stock videos and they might get a couple hundred views a video. But every crypto channel I have saw or I have seen on YouTube, they all popping. I need you to confirm this. All right. So I need you to, when you do your crypto, if you're interested in cryptocurrencies and you're doing some research on YouTube and you're checking out different people, different YouTubers, see what they have to say about different currencies, see how their channel's doing. And I just can't find a weak channel. So what I'm getting at is people are really, really interested in crypto, regardless of what the news say, or regardless of what the cryptocurrencies are actually doing. And the last month or so, it's been trending down. It's not stopping the people out there that wants to invest in crypto. So I don't even know what's I know what's bringing it down. I know that meet the headlines and stuff, but I'm not seeing any deterioration in the people that watch the YouTube videos about cryptocurrency. You got people that talk about cryptos, they might specialize in, Shiba Inu. That's all they talk about. Safemoon. That's all they talk about. Cardano. That's all they talk about, right? Tether. That's all they talk about. Every day. Nothing changes, but there's a video every single day. Every day. And they'll talk about, maybe they look at the Twitter feed, and look at the stock chart. We could do that. You ain't telling me nothing new. You ain't telling me nothing I don't know already. But these videos are popping. So you could talk about Safemoon. That's the one I'm really particular in, right? Safemoon. And I love Safemoon. I like watching everybody's Safemoon videos. And they, for the most part, they're all the same. None of them is really unique. But every channel, every video is popping, right? I mean, and this is what they do. They say, hey, Safemoonarmy, whoop, whoop, whoop. And then they'll get on the Safemoon Twitter feed and talk about the tweets, right? Kind of elaborate on them. And then they'll get in the Reddit group under Safemoon and elaborate under it, right? And then they'll go to the Safemoon website and look how many holders there are. They all exactly the same. But every video is popping. And this is other cryptocurrencies as well. I use Safemoon as an example because that's the one I'm really be doing all kinds of research on. So what do you think, man? Basically, just knowing that just got me really, really, really interested in crypto. I mean, it's like, I'm missing the boat here. Everybody's over here. Wonder why the channel ain't popping. Everybody's doing crypto. But I refuse to sell you guys out. Okay, because now I'll do a crypto video from here or there, what I know. But what I did notice is some people that's doing these crypto videos, their channel wasn't popping either, and they started jumping to crypto, and they're like, yeah, You got people just doing it. They don't even know what the hell they talking about. Videos still popping. The guy could be this can't even speak. Videos popping. You know what I mean? So it's just unbelievable, right? So I'm gonna do my thing. I'm still gonna do my thing. I'm not trying to turn my channel into a crypto channel just so my videos could be popping. Because I like stocks. I like doing what I do, right? I like options. You know, that's my market. So I need to find all you option players to come over here and let's make some trades. Anyway, so just something I wanted to kind of throw out there. I wanted to talk about crypto and, you know, do you notice the same thing? Let me know. Just kind of start paying attention to the crypto, the crypto channels that you watch and how big they pop in, or even when you're just doing a search and you see all the channels. You might not watch them all, but just look at the views. It's insane. So yeah, it's got me more excited about crypto, just knowing that fact that everybody's popping. All right, so that's just a different video for today, man. Thanks for watching, y'all. This is Dre Trades. I'm on Twitter and I'm on Instagram. Hit me up and subscribe to the channel. We'll talk stocks, options, and maybe some crypto. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.